Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at SnapSolar with the man himself, Mr. Jackson Wire. How are you, my bro?
Hey, I'm good, Kay. I'm good, my man.
That's good, mate. Second year in a row coming on board to support our Get It Done training, Pioneer Valley Charity Fund Run. Buddy, what does it mean for your company to come on board this time to support this event after last year?
Mate, we had an awesome time last year at the event. It was, it's really great getting involved and being involved with the community, and for such a great charity like the Hospital Foundation, it's a no-brainer. How can you not be involved in such a great event?
Oh, mate, I can't be thankful enough. So thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate that. Obviously, I know what you guys do here. People watching this video who don't know what SnapSolar is all about, can you please just let them know?
Absolutely. So SnapSolar is located here in Paget. We specialise in the solar industry, residential and commercial rooftop solar and battery storage. So ultimately, we've got guys on the roof every day of the week, putting up solar panels, saving the world one solar panel at a time.
Mate, that's interesting that you said that. There's something else you're doing with this business that's outside of the normal box. Can you tell us a little bit? Saving the planet, one solar panel at a time. Tell me a little bit more about that.
So recently, this year we've aligned ourselves with the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, and that foundation, it's one that's close to home, and we're watermen. We spend a lot of time in the water. We love the reefs. We love the ocean. So basically, SnapSolar donate to the Great Barrier Reef Foundation. Every system we sell, we plant a piece of coral. So,
how amazing! Not only is he doing that, but he's also supporting local community by supporting this charity fund run. Ladies and gentlemen, SnapSolar for all of your solar needs. Brother,
thank you, Kate.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you.